In the United States, there are quiet millionaires everywhere. They don't drive Lambos, they don't live in mansions. Some are teachers, some are nurses, some make $40,000 or $50,000 a year. Yet, according to big US investment firms, their accounts now show over $1 million. How? Not from crypto. Not from flipping houses, not from running a huge business. They used one boring asset almost nobody talks about. It's not trendy. It's not flashy. Most people ignore it, but the truth behind this will shock you, because this quiet asset grows while you sleep, uses the power of hundreds of big companies at once, often gets free extra money from your boss and tax perks from the government. In this video, you'll learn the simple asset turning normal Americans into millionaires. How someone with an average job can reach $1 million over time, the hidden double boost that makes this grow faster than most people realize, and you might already have access to it and not even know. What is this thing? Why do so few people really use it? And how could it change your future if you start now? Let me show you exactly how this happened. Picture this. You wake up, you go to work, you get your paycheck. For many people, that money goes like this. Rent, food, gas, bills, gone, end of story. But for a quiet group, something different happens. Every time they get paid, a small slice of money never hits their normal bank. It moves straight into a special account. Inside that account, that money buys tiny pieces of many big companies: Apple and Amazon, Google, Coca-Cola, and hundreds more. This may sound complex, but the tool is simple. Most of these millionaires used a work retirement plan, like a 401k in the US, or an individual retirement account, like an IRA or Roth IRA, and inside that account, a low-cost index fund. A 401k is a plan many US jobs offer. You choose to send part of your pay into it often. Your boss will add extra money too. That's called a match. Free money. If you grab it, an IRA or a Roth IRA is a retirement account you open yourself. It also helps you save for the future. It comes with tax benefits. Tax benefits mean you keep more of your gains. An index fund is a basket of many stocks. You don't pick one company, buy a small piece of the whole group. If one company does badly, others can help balance it. Here's mini surprise number 1. Reportedly, many US millionaires did not get rich from winning the lottery or getting a big gift. They slowly built money in these accounts over 20 to 40 years. Mini surprise number 2. Most never brag online. No jets. No gold chains. Just quiet growth in boring accounts. You see lots of videos about fast money. Day trade this, get rich this week. Plot twist. The tool that actually builds wealth for many people is the exact opposite. Slow, calm, boring, but boring works. Now here's where things get really interesting. Time to name the secret. The asset making many Americans millionaires is low-cost stock market index funds. Inside tax-advantaged retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Let's make this real with numbers. Say you are 25, you earn $45,000. A year you decide to put 10% of your pay into your 401k. That's $4,500. Per year, about $375. A month. Your job offers a 50% match on what you put in, up to a limit. So you put in $4,500. Your boss adds $2,250. Wow. Moment number 1. Instant free money. Now you pick a simple index fund inside the 401k. For example, a fund that tracks the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is just a list of 500 large US companies. When you buy that fund, you own a tiny part of all 500 at once. Historically, over many decades, the US stock market has returned around 7 to 10% per year on average after inflation. Depending on the exact time period, it does not go up every year. Some years it falls hard, but over long time frames, it has trended up. Let's use 8% as a simple example. This is not a promise. It's just to show the power of time. You add $6,750 each year to your 401k, $4,500 from you, $2,250 from your employer. You do this from age 25 to age 65. That's 40 years. If the money grows at 8% per year on average, by age 65 you could have over $1.7 million. How much did you put in from your own pocket? $4,540 equals $180,000. Your employer added about $90,000. So total money added is about $270,000. Wow. Moment number 2. Over $1.4 million of the $1.70 million is growth. Not money you earned at your job. Money your money earned. This is compounding. Compounding means your money earns money. Then that new money also earns money. Then that new money earns money. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it's tiny. Then it slowly grows. Then, near the bottom, it gets huge. Now, what if you don't have a 401k? Maybe you are self-employed. Maybe your job doesn't offer one. You can often still open an IRA or a Roth IRA in the US, or similar accounts in other countries. You put in your own money, then invest it in a broad index fund. You might not get a boss match, but you can still get growth over time. Example: you are 30, you open a Roth IRA. You put in $300 a month into a broad stock index fund. If it grows at 8% over 35 years, age 30 to 65, it could reach around $600,000. If you can do $500 a month, it could be around $1 million using that same 8% example again. Not a guarantee, markets move. But the math shows the idea. You don't have to be rich to end up with a lot. You need time, steady investing, and patience. But if you think that's crazy, wait until you hear this. The index fund is powerful, but the real magic is how taxes work around it. Normally, here's what happens with money. You earn it. You pay income tax. You invest it. Your investments grow. You may pay tax on the growth, too. Tax is like a slow leak in your wealth. Retirement accounts change the game. There are two main types in the US. Type 1, pay tax later. This is a 401k or traditional IRA. You put money in before tax now. This can lower your taxable income today. The money grows inside the account. You don't pay tax on the growth each year. Pay tax when you take money out in retirement. Type 2, pay tax now. Maybe never again. This is a Roth IRA. You pay tax on your paying now. As usual, you put money into the Roth. It grows. If you follow the rules, you don't pay tax when you take it out later. Why does this matter? Because not paying tax every year on growth lets compounding work faster. It's like taking the brake off your car. Let's compare. Person A invests $5,000 per year in a normal account. Their money grows, but they pay some tax along the way. So maybe their real growth feels closer to 6.5 to 7% per year. Person B invests $5,000 per year in a good retirement account. Their money grows without yearly tax on gains. Over 30 years, that small percent difference can mean tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars more for person B. Plot twist. Many workers never use these accounts at all. They leave free matching money and tax benefits sitting on the table at the same time. Others quietly take the employer match, use 401ks or IRAs, choose low-cost index funds, let time do its job. They get a triple boost, their own steady contributions, free money from their employer match, if offered. Tax advantages that speed up compounding. Here's wow moment number 3. If your employer gives a 100% match on the first 3% you invest, that's a 100% return on day one for that 3%. Hard to beat that. But there is one more layer. These accounts can be automatic. You choose a percent once. Every paycheck, that percent goes into your 401k by itself. Don't willpower needed. Behavior experts say, this is huge, because when we must decide each month, we often don't. We forget. We get scared. We spend. Instead, automatic investing means you buy in good years and bad years. You get an average price over time. This is sometimes called dollar cost averaging. You don't need to remember the name. Just remember, automatic is your friend. This brings us to the most shocking discovery of all. Here's the biggest truth. The real secret asset is bigger than any one fund or account. The true asset is the system you build around your money. Look at the pieces. Automatic contributions from every paycheck, a tax-advantaged account like a 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA, a simple, low-cost index fund. Time for compounding. Your calm behavior during ups and downs. Put them together, and you have a quiet wealth machine. Let's compare two people with the same job. Person no machine gets paid, spends almost all of it, saves a little. In a normal bank, the bank pays low interest. Inflation eats away at that small savings. They feel stuck. Person with machine gets paid 10%, goes straight to a 401k or IRA. They get their employer match. Inside, the money goes into a broad index fund. Those companies go to work, they build things, sell things, raise prices, grow profits. Over years, the account grows. Sometimes down, then back up, up more than down over the long run. Historically, same job, same country, same stock market, different system, different results. Wow moment number 4. It's not just how much you earn, that's what you do with what you earn. Some people make $200,000 and stay broke. They spend it all on looking rich. Some people make $50,000 to $70,000 and become millionaires. They live a little below their means. They pay themselves. First, they let the machine run. You might think, I can't start big. You don't have to. Start small. $50 a month, then $75, then $100. When you can, if a 25-year-old put in just $100 a month at 8% for 40 years, that could grow to close to $300,000. Not enough to fully retire maybe, but a big help. At $300 a month, that could be near $900,000 using the same 8% example. The lesson is clear. The system matters more than the starting amount. Start the habit. Grow it over time. So what does all this mean for us today? What does this mean for you right now? Maybe you are in your 20s. You have lots of time. Maybe you are 30 or 40. You still have time. But less, maybe you are 50 or more. You might think, it's too late. But building something is better than building nothing. Here's why this matters now. People live longer. Retirement can last 20 to 30 years. Jobs change. Often you may not have a big company pension. Prices rise. Rent. Food. Healthcare. You need assets that can grow faster than inflation. Over long periods. Broad stock index funds, inside tax-friendly accounts, have often done that. Short term, this path feels boring. For the first 5 years, the numbers may look small. The market will drop sometimes. It will scare you. That's where many people quit. Long term, something changes. Your account hits $50,000, then $100,000. Soon, 8% growth means tens of thousands of dollars a year. Wow. Moment number 5. Most of the growth usually comes near the end. You must stay in long enough to see it. Here are simple lessons you can use. Learn what accounts you can use in the US. That's 401k, 403b, IRA, Roth IRA. If your job offers a match, try to at least grab the full match. That's free money. Keep it simple. Many people do well with 1 or 2 broad, low-fee index funds. Automate your contributions. Set it and forget it. Don't panic and sell everything in a crash. The market has crashed many times. Historically, it has also recovered and gone on to new highs. Important note, this video is for education, not personal financial advice. Your life is unique. Talk to a licensed pro before big money moves. Before we wrap up, there's one final thing you need to know. Here is the last twist, that the secret asset is not really a secret at all. It's hidden in plain sight. Most workers in the US get a packet when they start a job. Somewhere inside, 401k plan information, and you toss it in a drawer. They feel overwhelmed. They tell themselves, I'll learn this later. Later never comes. Plot twist, the difference between the person who reads that packet and takes action, and the person who never opens it, can be millions of dollars over a lifetime. Same job, same pay, different choice. This is wow moment number 6. The real edge is not secret knowledge, it's simple knowledge. Used again and again. By using this boring asset, you are doing more than growing money. You are changing how you think. You become the type of person who pays future you first, stays calm when others panic, believes in slow, steady progress. Those skills help in every part of life. Think back to the start of this video. We talked about normal people, teachers, nurses, office workers, not the top 1%, not tech founders. Many of them became millionaires with their retirement account. A simple index fund. Decades of tiny, repeated actions. You can't go back and start 20 years ago, but you can start today. Your first step will not make you rich tomorrow, but your first step could change who you become in 10, 20, 30 years. If this opened your eyes, let's wrap this up in a few lines. You learned that many quiet American millionaires built wealth with one main tool: low-cost index funds inside 401k, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Employer matches and tax benefits give this asset a double boost. The real power is the system: automatic investing, simple choices, and time for compounding. Don't need to be rich to start. You start so that one day you can be rich. Here's a simple action plan you can take right after this video. Step 1. Find out what you have. Do you have a 401k at work? Are you getting the employer match? Do you have, or can you open, an IRA or Roth IRA? Step 2. Log in and look. Are you actually invested, or is your money just sitting in cash in the account? Can you find a broad low-fee index fund on your menu? Step 3. Make one small change. Raise your contribution by 1%, or start with $25, $50 a month if you are brand new. Put a reminder in your calendar to review in 3 months if this video helped. You think about money in a calmer, clearer way. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we break down how to read a 401k menu and avoid common beginner mistakes. Tap like so more people see that real wealth can be simple, not flashy. Share this with one friend who keeps saying, I'll start investing someday. For a deeper next step, check the link in the description. You'll find a free email newsletter where I send short money lessons in plain language. Real stories of quiet millionaires and what they did. Simple checklists you can save and use. Now I want to hear from you. Answer this in the comments. What is one small step you can take this month to start or grow your own millionaire machine? Is it signing up for your 401k, grabbing the full mat, opening your first IRA or Roth IRA? Type it below. Your idea might be the push someone else needs. Thanks for watching. Remember, the secret asset is simple. Most ignore it. You don't have to. I'll see you in the next video.